Here I've got THL T7 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone, simply tap on power key, hold it for a while and then click on power off. Confirm that you would like to shut down your phone by tapping on OK and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap on power key and volume up key and hold both of them all together. And now we are in boot mode, from which we have to go to the recovery mode. So here you can navigate by using the volume up key. So let's go to the recovery mode and then you can select this option by tapping on volume down key. Okay, so let me do it one more time. Okay, leave your device a few seconds. Now click on power button or volume up or down key. And now we are in Android system recovery, from which we can go to wipe cache partition. Here you can navigate by using volume up and volume down keys. So let's go down to the wipe cache partition option and then tap on power key to select this option. As you can see, it has been already done. So now we can reboot system now simply by tapping on power key. And that's it. Now you can start using your device as usual. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.